Okay, this is business 342, the practice final, set number 3, problem number 4. A stock has a beta of 1.26 and a standard deviation of 13.7. The risk-free rate is 3.9% and the market risk premium is 8.4%. What is the expected return on the stock? Okay. So, if you go to page 78, it says right up here, page 78, I should say, of workbook. Okay. You remember this. The SML, which is the security market line, or the CAPM, they use that synonymously. Okay. Expected return of a stock equals the risk-free rate plus the expected return on the market minus the risk-free rate times beta. Now remember, this part right here is called the risk premium. The expected return of the market minus the risk-free rate is the market risk premium. That's a reward for bearing systematic risk. Okay, so sometimes they'll give you the market risk premium. If they give you that, it's basically this minus that is the market risk premium. So you just plug that number in. Sometimes they'll give you the market return, and then you subtract the risk-free rate from the market return to get the market risk premium. So if they say a risk premium, if they use the word premium, that number they give you encompasses this whole thing. If they tell you market return, then that's the number right here, and then you subtract the risk-free rate to get the market risk premium. So if you see premium, the key thing is that's this whole combination of these two, adding or subtracting risk-free rate from the market return. If you see the word premium, they just give you the expected market return. It's this, and then you subtract the risk-free rate to get that number. Okay, it's real important to make sure you understand that. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to this question, and they give you the standard deviation on this, which you don't even need, but they just throw that in there to kind of throw you off. So basically, here's that formula. The expected return on I is just an individual stock equals the risk-free rate plus beta of that individual stock times the market risk premium, which is the expected return on the market minus the risk-free rate. So you just plug those numbers in. The expected return, because they're just asking you for a return on an individual stock, right? The expected return on an individual stock. Risk-free rate's 3.9, the beta is 1.26. Now remember, they gave you the market risk premium. So they gave you this whole thing as one number, which is 8.4. You just multiply them together, add them, and the answer comes out to 14.48. So 14.48 is B. So that's the answer to this question. So that's business 342, the practice final, set 3, problem number 4.